public service announcement. Don't ever climb under a vehicle supported by the jack alone.
Did you?
No. And that's why I'm here talking to you right now.
Did your jack fail?
My jack failed. Exploded and dropped the van.
Well, were you under it?
I'm here. So no, I was not under it. But I felt like it was worth saying in case anyone else out there wants to still be around to live another day. Don't be under the car because your jack might fail.
You have a picture?
Yeah. My wife was right there sitting on the ground. I was totally done with the car after doing these repairs I just talked about and was lowering it down when it just completely gave out, the jack.
So you don't have a jack anymore?
No, it's destroyed.
What happened? What part failed?
So there's this circular safety pin that keeps these 2 yellow forks from sliding off this cylinder.
Where did you get this one from?
Amazon.
Yeah, go get a yellow one from Harbor Freight. Their Daytona ones are really good.
Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. No warning, nothing. It just out of nowhere, there was a loud snap. But the moment the snap happened, the car was on the ground. Like no time to react, nothing. The tires were maybe 6-8 inches off the ground, and it just dropped down.
So what part of the jack am I looking at here?
This is, if I go to this one.
Is it the head? No. Oh, that's underneath.
It's underneath.
Gotcha.
So those 2 yellow forks slipped off the side, and there's now nothing holding that arm up, and it just, no resistance whatsoever, slams to the ground.
Slam, dead face here.
If I were under the car, which again, back to my point, do not be under a car if it's only supported by the jack, which I never do, and I never will do, especially now. Mm-hmm. That was terrifying. Because again, I was lowering it. I wasn't anywhere under the car, and I had checked again. Before you lower the car, I'm like looking. Is there any tools or
grab
pets? The dog was out recently, so I was like, all right, is the dog under the car? Looking around. I'm like, all right, we're good. And I start lowering it down, and just snap, the car was on the ground.
That's crazy.
It is crazy, scary. I don't know if that's ever happened to you, but
no, I've never had I've had them fail to lift. I've had them fail that way, where like after they're sitting for a long time, some seal goes out, and then when you go to lift something, it can't lift anymore. I've had them fail that way. But I've never had them give out under load.
Usually a little blue pill helps with that.